I see it coming, and I don't just only see it coming. I see it flying closer, flying. You understand? The agitation of Biafra that started for let's say 53 years now is excelling. In fact, it has excelled. See, the actualization date that is fixed this December is not only sacrosanct, but very, very holy. Yes, it is only Nnamdi Kanu is our true leader of Biafra now after Ojuku's death. Nnamdi Kanu submitted himself, a sacrificial lamb. Are you listening to me? Someone started it, someone do what? Sacrificed himself. Nnamdi Kanu is a sacrificial lamb of the Biafrans. Biafran nation is real, and the emancipation of Biafra is coming this December, irreversible. Nobody could stop it, nobody can do that. See, Ekpa has taken it upon himself and is working hard in Finland since incarceration of Nnamdi Kanu in 2020, when he was renditioned from illegally Nairobi airport to Nigeria here. Somebody like Lai Mohammed that has been telling lie right from the womb, his mother's womb, started lying and lying against Nnamdi. There was no lie. Lai Mohammed did not tell the whole world how Nnamdi Kanu was arrested with the one of Interpol's by Interpol's whatever big grammar. He was arrested in Ethiopia, Addis Ababa, blah blah blah. Later, the way Nnamdi Kanu was arrested and renditioned from Nairobi resurfaced. Everybody saw the truth. It was illegal. Nigerian nation is a kidnapping country, kidnapper. That's why the bandits have been kidnapping in the north. Nobody's doing anything about it. Buhari kidnapped, killed many people on the highway, employing Asad Dokubo and other forces that are working for him. He employed Uhuru of Kenya to do what? The same kidnapping in Nairobi. Nnamdi Kanu was renditioned illegally from Nairobi to Nigeria. And court has ruled in his own gain in favor of Nnamdi Kanu that Nnamdi Kanu did nothing. So what we know is that Nigeria is for Hausa, Nigeria is for Fulani, Nigeria is for Yoruba, and they have played out now. Because Tinubu, if after releasing Sunday Igbo and released that young man, everybody would have applauded him. He released only Sunday Igbo, he left Nnamdi Kanu because Tinubu is a highly tribalized man. If he is not, would have to allow somebody that caught free to walk out free out of DSS facilities. But he's still there. So emancipation of Biafra is a compulsory thing. We are not refraining. We are not backing down. We are working hard towards that date to make sure that Guterres, United Nations Secretary General, has made it, a big point. Listen good, of honor, to make sure that Biafra emancipation date is sacrosanct. It is irreversible.
But do you not think before that date, the government might extradite Ekpa down here to Nigeria? Do you know? So are you not seeing something like that occurring?
Impossible. See, let me tell you, Finland, you see, is almost part of former USSR. They have border. Finland is almost part of Russia. Only that is the most advanced country in Europe. They gave Russia the fight of their life. That's why Finland still remain a sovereign state nation.
But some will say it's no way.
Listen and listen good. Finland, listen and listen good, can never ever dance to Nigerians' requests, costumes. Like Nigeria as a corrupt country, a kidnapping country, underdeveloped country, can never tell Finland what to do. If Nigeria tries it, send any military forces to arrest Simon Ekpa in Finland, those forces, those agents will go live jail. See, Finland is not Edo State. No, Finland, Plateau State. See, Finland is not Benue State. Finland can never ever be. They are the most, when I say advanced country, I mean developed country of Europe. See, let me shock you. You can never see anybody from Finland in UK, that's London, working, or in America working. They are more advanced than United Kingdom. They are not hungry at all. Finland can never rendition Simon Ekpa. No, now. Finland is not Nairobi. That's Kenya. Uhuru Kenyatta, almost monkey. You can't compare him to Finn Prime Minister or President, whoever is ruling over there. These people are well educated, well organized. They follow rules of law. They know international law. Any Nigerian agent that tries it, even British MI5, M15, tries it in Finland to abduct Simon Ekpa. Oh my God. Their graves will be scattered all over Finland. Okay? Nobody's renditioning or extraditing Simon Ekpa from Finland. They can never ever do that. See, Nigeria excesses. That Nigeria get money, they get oil. That Tinubu is this, is that. It is only mouth. Nigeria too, they run their mouth. Look at an African giant. Everybody is hungry. Nothing is working here. Only Lesotho just took it upon himself and changed Abia State the other day, which is a big shame on federal government. I don't want to talk about other states. Ordinary governor, yes, change Abia City. The whole Abia State, they're having 24 hours light. Only a governor, barely how many months in office, has shocked the whole world. Haven't you heard what Antonio Guterres, United Nations Secretary General, the former Portuguese Prime Minister, said about Lesotho? To the greatest shock of my life. So Nigeria, we go and tell, no, Finland is not a gossiper country now. Finland no be no. No eye service in Finland. Nigeria can never do it. It is impossible to rendition Ekpa the way they rendition Nnamdi Kanu at Nairobi, Kenya. I felt bad about Nnamdi. I wonder what Nnamdi went to do in Nairobi, without serious security, serious bodyguard. It would have escalated into bloody clash on that airport, and Biafra would have choked Kenya. I don't know. Had it been Nnamdi Kanu still out, not that they arrested Nnamdi, by now would have made great change in Biafra land. We know the level would have been in this Biafra agitation.
Oh, sorry, despite the security, even though he had gone with security to Nairobi, I think I think Nigeria, they were determined to see, get hold of him. I think they would have still caught him, despite him, even Nnamdi Kanu going with security to Nairobi.
They would have caught him. I know. He didn't go alone. But the reason why, see how they caught Nnamdi Kanu. They said you're under arrest, and people attention was on them. Do you know what happened? They shout terrorists. They said he's a terrorist. They started shouting terrorists. So everybody kill her. That was how he was arrested. They bundled him into one of the underground facilities there and bullied him. Are you listening to me? And they arrested him and brought him to Nigeria. So the way they did it, they acted film at Nairobi Airport, Kenya. But I'm telling you, it can never be like that with Simon Ekpa. Nigeria has no strength. Internationally, Nigeria has no say. Nigeria is only relying on oil from southern Nigeria here. Minus that oil, nothing is going. Most of them are illiterates ruling Nigeria. Look at the current president. He has no certificate. He lied and lied and lied and lied. The whole Massachusetts, Chicago, they went there on investigation. Oh my God. Nigeria is a shameless country. Very shameless. Internationally, the narrative of this country has finished. The image of this country. We have had the worst narrative ever in history of Africa. Tinubu administration is the worst administration ever. Tinubu and the like of Buhari, they have finished Nigeria. Look at Nigeria now. Nigeria is just a limping skeleton. Nothing, there's nothing here. Our economy is zero. A borrowing nation, a nation that cannot manufacture pin, will never grow. Always borrowing, and sorrowing. He that goes a borrowing, goes a sorrowing. It's an adage. Nigeria is always borrowing. Because be a lender country now, when you produce as a production country, you will be lending out to nations. But today, we are a beggar country. Just imagine Ukraine shifted tons and tons of grain to Nigeria. Have you heard anything about it? That's Nigeria for you. It is in the Wemako warehouse. They hide everything there. That young man thought he did good to us, Abi. Where is the grain? Where is the wheat? Where is it now? It don't die down. You know, say this kind of country where you are. Every day another story. Hey, focus on red. Tomorrow they will focus on red. Tomorrow, hey, go for yellow. Everybody will forget red and go after yellow. Where are those grain from Ukraine? Forgotten. That's Nigeria for you. Nigerians are the most gullible people on earth. I'm sorry for them.